Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change language on Easyship. To change your language setting on Easyship account is a straightforward process. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and type in easyship.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Easyship account. And once you're in the main dashboard, scroll down from the left-hand side menu and then click on Profile. Now, click the language drop-down under Profile and select from the list of languages and click Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display language setting. You can get back to this page anytime and get back to the language of your choice anytime you want and save the changes, just like that. So that's how you can easily change your language setting on your Easyship account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.